Okay, so I'm leaving Los Angeles, just passed on the 101 North, Lost Hills. And I got this guy passing me right here. I passed him a couple miles back. Look at all the stuff that he's got tied up the top there. Looks like it's gonna come flying out of there at any minute. It looks like he had it tied up previously. He doesn't even know. Any of that stuff flies off, could cause a serious accident. I'm gonna try to flag him down. I can't believe nobody's done it yet. We've been driving for miles and nobody's flagged him down yet. He's going about 75 miles an hour and that shit's about to fly off the top. I'm gonna try to signal him to try to help out. I hope he understands. If not, let's see what we can do here. That shit's about to fly off. I can't catch him, he's going too fast. Definitely needs a Gladiator net or a custom-made cargo net by cargocatch.com and Graham Custom Truck Accessories. Because this guy's gonna kill somebody.